So YouTube, check what's right there, right? Boom, the mess over here. Booyah, what equals this right there. You see that? Give me the demon hood. That she is. She's the little demon. Got a carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Can't help it because, you know, Dodge, you know, they grilled the lines around this motherfucker. Because if you ever notice your hood on these models here, they're almost not a perfect line on everything. But this is close as I'm a get it. Only gotta do a small modifications to get to install my hoses for the windshield fluid, the hoses. Only had to install those. Other than that, it's a piece of cake. I'm telling you, it's fire. It's nothing like it. Something different. Could have got the unpainted one, but then the unpainted one, you know how stuff like that looks. This is fire too. So it look like the grill in the front, grill at the bottom, grill, pull the hood up top. They look like I'm just smiling everywhere. Can you say smiling? Smiling. You know how to get that airplane in the mix, y'all. But yeah, I did it. This was the wait. Wanted to tell everybody. Didn't tell everybody, but you know. Alright, side covers. Make sure this is all good real quick. You know, goobity. Make sure it's looking good, righteous. Side cover, side carbon fiber. There's a carbon fiber. It's like almost two different type of carbon fibers. This one's almost like a grayish carbon fiber. That's like a carbon fiber. It's almost like what's on my stern wheel, but a little bit different. It's like carbon fiber, different stuff. Too bad they're all not made by the same company. And then I just got to vacuum my floor. But in the meantime, I got my rest plate right there, my gas pedal, my brake. You know, I got this carbon fiber on the steering wheel. Real to Real just made a video of his installing his carbon fiber on his steering wheel just like this. My previous already had it before in my cup holders right here. This is all from the vacation though. Had this already thrown in there. I wanted to wait to make the video before I did the hood, so now it's installed. I just gotta re-wipe these down. Other than that, this is looking Gucci. You already know that radio right there. And I believe I got something for this right here, which is in this pack over here while making this video. You know, turned the car around facing this way. As any of my neighbors wanted to be nosy, which people are around here. Just look at that with the rims. Whew. I should have did the black on black on black. But you know, got a little bit, have a little drip on Lola right here. She gotta have a little drippage on her. You know, I gotta be riding around looking something different. Mark already know, we always talk about making our cars look different. You know, I'm definitely about that. And I got one of them ones right there. Shout out to Mr. Organic and Tall Guy Car Reviews. Shout out to them guys. I got one of the ones right here. I gotta see what else merch that they got that's in my size for the clothes. But the hats, once again, show that right there. Show that right there. Ooh, one of the ones, y'all. That's definitely what I am. Let me throw that right there. Let me get a little drip drip. Let me get a little drip drip. Little drip drip. Hold on. Let me move. This is what I had so I don't. Yo, I'm telling you. I thought that hood was heavy. That hood ain't even heavy. It's just light as like this. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is. Well, I'm putting the towels on the missus' car and shit. She wanted me to detail hers, but you know, making this video before we pick up the little guy. Let me close the truck. They doing some type of construction out there. You know, but I got towels, chairs. You know, that's what she looking like. Check that drip drip in the back. Drip drip. Look at that. I'm telling you. Welcome to the north. We make the cars get drip drip on. Got a drippage on her. Look at this. I'm telling you, look again. Look. Woo! Woo! Telling you. Felt like taking the whole car apart. I can't do that. I ain't gonna do that, y'all. I'm just leave it like this. In the future, I don't know. What's else plans for? Friends and family, no. But we'll see. Other than that, I think I'm done right now. Putting this drippage on her. Shoot. Look, I don't got a trailer. I'm driving around just with her on the back. Don't even get, well, it should get dirty still, but she's still looking good. Got her clean yesterday, but you know, nature is almost bird crapped on the windows over there. You know, she can't stop them. I swear, they soon the clean car comes along, they like beep, 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 on the car. Next would be the house to get hooked up on the outside. I'm telling you. Landlord's doing stuff, but you know, gotta get all this city approvals and crap, and by the time they get that done, it's winter be coming. I'm telling you, look at that. Woo, woo. Drip, drip. Right around on the drip, on, drip, on. I'm telling you, she feel like soaking wet. Soaking wet, y'all. Look at this. Man, just can't even stop looking at it. Like, yeah, your boy Jay installed his hood. I'm telling you, believe it or not, I got skills, y'all. We got skills. Patience is hell. You know what I mean? It's hell, he got a lot of patience. But your brother Jay, thanks to God and everything, patience. And my mom and dad, what they taught me, and definitely going to school. Patience, y'all, patience. Learning a lot of stuff. Believe it or not, I thought when I graduate, I'm done. I'm just gonna go work, do what I gotta do. Nah, we never done. We never done. We just keep going. Keep hustling. The right way, not the illegal way. Haha. I'm telling you. I wasn't even sure I was about to take this off. I was about to take this off right here. Not even sure. I might just take that off. So I don't got the Dodge in the back either. Only thing, matter of fact, only thing that said Dodge in this car, I believe it is on the steering wheel. Well, I just throw the paper on there. I gotta pick that up. But you know, I gotta pick all that crap up. You know, I make a mess. I gotta pick it up. As you know, I gotta vacuum this floor. I wasn't gonna vacuum the floor until I came from the trip. Yeah, I got the vacuum inside the house bomb. Guess I'll do it. I think my windshield hoses are looking righteous. Telling I put the holes in there. Well, it was already previous. There's a hole for the. Oh shit! I just let my hat scam, and that's how you see it. It slid right off. That's what wax was Well, I had a wrap on there, but that's what the wax is on that one over there. Before I wrap, should slide off. But you see how it look? You think it wouldn't slide off? It is kind of tilted down. But yeah, in fact, I think I gotta raise the other knob over here on this side up just a half little bit, just a little bit. But yeah, it was a previous. They already got holes, slots for the like if your windshield hoses is on the inside like how these are, they got slots for them. Already previous drill. Only thing is you just gotta drill a hole for your if you want to keep it flush and looking clean, you want to drill a hole to, for the part of the other holes that's connected to it, so it can look good. Other than that, let me pop the hood so y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm just like looking at this carbon fiber. Let me put my. It's good. It's good. It's good, y'all. It's good. Should that be like my license plate? Boy, y'all. Have to give a check to 3 of them for that, y'all. I'm telling you, it's like a different style of opening. All right. Yeah, I got it's like hose. I gotta finish up clamping those in. Other than that, we tidy up in this mugger. Y'all drill the hose up in here. You know, put that in there. Put that in here. But up in here, there's a already slots already pre-drill. I just shaved it a little bit so I can slide in without popping, because if not, this is gonna pop on you. But other than that, this is good, y'all. I'm telling you. Let me see. Yeah. No, I just gotta throw these little hook things up there, and we goach. Other than that, we're good. We're really good. Come on, leaning on my shit in here. This is what she looked like. I think the last time I made a video, that's what she looking like up under there. Oh, y'all just turned the. I believe I had a camera facing the other way. Oh well. Wipe the tape off under here. Just a little plate. I wipe the little tape off. Get this tape. Even though, y'all believe it or not, when I brought this car, it was this Scotch tape. I don't know if it's still hanging on there down there. It look like. Yeah, it is. Matter of fact, it's down there. Like, I don't know, Dodge, when they building these cars, like, they had tape on this. Like, up under there. Like, literally, tape. And believe it or not, it's still hanging there. There's a lot of debris, you know, dirt and stuff gets up in here. I might throw my, back on. My cover. Just for, but yo, I'm telling you, it's enough clearance for the supercharged to be up in here all day, y'all. For real. You guys did a good job. That was a little clamp there, but it's not. You never know, like, looking at the hoods and stuff. Oh, wait. I think I gotta put my rubber thing right here. Here. Okay, there's some rubber over there, but anyway. Yeah, I just want to show you what I did for the hoses and stuff. Let me see, because I don't even got that stick. I'm not even holding it with the stick. I'm just doing it with my hand, y'all. I gotta slide that down to get it in the hole. Put that one in the hole. Other than that, she's good. Yeah, other than that, it's good. I might throw some extra tape up in there to hold, press this down up in there, see where it's at. Yeah, I did it good enough. It should be good. I ain't worried about it. I mean, I put the cover over it. It'll hold that in there. That's pretty much what it was. It was like looking like over there. It's the same style like right here. It was just looking like that over there. Other than that, it's good. Yeah, it's a little different way I got how I gotta close it. Let's see. Oh, I had it open. Let me raise that up. I'm telling you. All right, pretty clear. All right, let me close this hood. All right, just closed it. That's what we're looking at. Oh, where I put that bag at? I think it's in the car. All right, my orange towel. It's over here. So I got some stuff on it. Just pre-wipe. This is a little quick installment video here, so remember, I just got back in my floor. Oh, he got that nice good smell in here. Anyway, this was looking like from up here. Like, look at the angle right there. Ooh wee. Shit's flush. All right, let's get this installment going on the. I believe that's what it is. It should be. Where my stick at? Had it in the bag over here from the trip. Yeah, you know, gotta bring everything. Here we go. See if we can set it up right here. Okay. I think it was good the way I just had it. Don't move too fast. I already have some stuff on here, so nothing to wet it. It's just to get the oils off. I ain't gonna touch it with my finger again. Listen to that. Listen to the sound of the plastic being open. I believe that's what it is. So it says Dodge gear carbon fiber guard or hand, whatever the hell it is. So I just had a knife on me. Damn, look how they tape this up. Like, what a price possessions this is. This is like, you're really not about to get in here. But let's rip it open. Oh my God. Let me see. Like I said, just make a crazy video doing me open a package here. This is what it turned into real quick. Oh my God, all this tape on here. I mean, really? Did they have to tape it like this? Where it was made at? China. Wonder why. No questions about how they like to tape shit. I'm about to rip the box. Fuck this shit. I know if the kids are watching, I said, French fries this, y'all. That's for the kids, you know, French fries. Oh, look at this. Just get, oh my God. Oh, yeah. Look at this. I'm making a mess. Okay, so I got to vacuum and do extra weight down detailing from the trip I said earlier. It's already opening. Here we go. Woo! That was a little workout. Look at that. Had to open it up like that. Look at that. Rip it up. I mean, they put tape on this thing real good. It's a nice day for to install some out here because despite them cleaning outside or whatever the heck they doing, I know the house diagonal or like 2 houses over or across the street, I know they was getting a driveway put in. So previously, before we moved here, the driveway, like a couple months before we got here, we've been here already going on 4 years already. Got a little strip carbon fiber in the back. Just peel this off. Oh, don't do like I just did real quick. But anyway, you peel these little strips off. Let me get a little, how my son says daylight. You probably heard that little strip. Let me get it again. It's kind of weird, awkward. I'm telling you, when your hands are a little big, show my lady do this. Her hands are a little smaller. I'm telling you, I mean, it's kind of interesting to do things when your hands big because, you know, big old. All right, it's nicely good. Everything. Line it up. On a Tuesday. There you go, y'all. Jay got his carbon fiber on his knob. Sorry, pretty nicely lined it up, as you see. Perfect. I know you're probably like, how the heck you just lined it up, Jay? Ain't no other way. It's on there good. Look at that. Carbon fiber here. Carbon fiber there. Carbon fiber there. Carbon fiber there. Carbon fiber there. Ooh. Ooh. It's that Note 10. Not the Note 10 Plus. The Note 10. Y'all guys can't see yourselves. Ha! If you was looking, you probably could. Look, school bus. Oh, what time is it? Alright. Move these little packages out the way. Empty packages. Pick this up. Maybe go do a little cruise around town. You know, gotta show it off. On a Tuesday. So I don't know about showing off the inside, but you can see the outside, cause you know that's what you're gonna be looking at. This is the outside, pretty much. Everything looking gooch. Carbon fiber on here. Here, this is all lined it up perfectly around there. This is all lined it up good on here. Here. And you just saw me install that, line it up good on there. Let's see how it look. You know, things look different. You install stuff. I figure it's gonna hit that beam. I know the radio about to play, so we go one of those. Hit the power. But yeah. Is Dang, just only turn it on that. But yeah. I got a full tank of gas because I filled it up. I know the darn some messages popped up in the middle of me recording. But anyway, I was talking about I filled it up not too long ago. That's why I was showing you on that screen. But anyway, looks nice up in here. Look like a different car all of a sudden. I'm inside the car with the windows up. I installed them side guards for the windows. So like even when it's raining, or even when it's super cold, I can let all four down. As you see, got it on the back and on the front. I installed those like a couple months back earlier this year. I installed them. I would say like February, March, April, May. I think just before I went to, where is it? Watkins Glen? Was it April? No. It was somewhere around there. Anyway, yeah, I installed those to myself. Pretty much installed everything in here on the car. Besides the tires and stuff, you know, I ain't got no thing back here for no tires, but boy, if I did, sheesh. Jay installed it. Now I'm back on the stick here, holding my phone. So if the video is gonna be sideways, that's because I think I was recording the other way, but not because I was holding it with the phone, so I was excited. So let me pick up my trash here. Everybody have a good day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. You know all the good stuff all of us YouTubers say. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram. Facebook is Lola Thomas for the Charger for this car here. Instagram is Charger _17. YouTube, if you're already watching, just hit the subscribe. It's Charger 17 all together. You see her little pic, you go to subscribers, search, and you'll find it. But anyway, just a quick video. Well, this was the ending of the other part because it got interrupted by a message. Because when I turned the car on, the phone and the car, they're pretty much synced. So it wanted me like, you connect messaging and read. And I'm in the middle of recording. You know? That's what happens when you're in the car. And you got the phone still connected to the car. So, but anyway, yeah, I got my screen protector on here. I know it's just like the phone. Gotta have a screen protector on, you know? You know, what else? What else? That's about it, y'all. Everybody have a good day. Look at that. Oh, there we go. Gotta pick up my little mess outside real quick. And we out, y'all. Enjoy the rest of the day. In these last few good weeks, hopefully the weather still be nice and right. You know, everybody enjoy yourselves. Peace. Look at that. I'm throwing a piece on my radio. You can see it. So you already know. We out. Picking Jeremiah up from school. His reaction to it. He like it. Right?
This gonna be my car now?
You hear him? This is gonna be his car? Maybe. He might get something faster than what Daddy already have. Come on.